Although the Navy Day is on the 4th of December, I take this opportunity to wish all of us who are present here, as also to our countrymen, a very happy Navy Day in advance. Most of you are aware, but this is for the youngsters especially who are watching online or on television, that why do we celebrate Navy Day on the 4th of December? We celebrate the Navy Day on 4th of December to commemorate our audacious and decisive strikes on Karachi on 4th of December 1971, which caused much destruction and shattered the enemy's morale and will to fight. And dare I say that it changed the course of war of 1971. Much has been written about it, and I am sure all those who are present here are aware, but like I said, it is largely for the youth who are watching as to why do we celebrate Navy Day on 4th of December. This day is also a day for us to remember our heroes and pay homage to brave naval warriors for their valor and sacrifices during the war and wars and thereafter as well. Huge gratitude to our naval veterans who shaped the Navy and propelled its growth to what it is today. Their vision, their leadership, their selfless devotion and commitment built the foundation for today's combat-ready, credible, cohesive, future-ready, Atmanirbhar Navy. I also take this opportunity to acknowledge the role of media, both digital and print, for taking the Navy and what we do to the people of the country, and thereby enhancing the maritime consciousness amongst our populace. I am extremely grateful to our Honorable Prime Minister for speaking about the Navy and matters maritime in his latest Mann Ki Baat just 2 days back on Sunday. This year's Navy Day celebration is being conducted in the Shangmugam beach in Trivandrum, Kerala, tomorrow, 3rd December. And Honorable President, our Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, will grace the occasion as chief guest and witness the operational demonstration being conducted by us. We truly acknowledge the support by the government of Kerala and the local administration at Trivandrum during our planning and when we execute the operational demonstration tomorrow. I believe there is a great enthusiasm amongst the population there to witness the op demo which is being held for the first time. I look forward to welcoming our guests and visitors tomorrow, and hopefully some of us who are sitting here, I will certainly be there, but the media friends will also travel to Trivandrum, to God's own country.